some time to myself, I need time. I need some time to myself, I need time. I need some time to myself, I need time. I need some time to myself, I need time.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Catloco, back in the junkyard where it all started. It's freaking cold right now. Right now I'm literally standing on ice. It's 24 degrees, Kansas City. Hopefully it's not too windy. But yeah, so I came out here. This was supposed to be, well, I know it's gone, but there were two 6.0s out here. And a couple Caprices, but since I'm in the truck section, I wanted to see what else is out here. This is all ice. All ice. You can really see it over here. But anyway, so the first thing we got here is a 99 Tahoe. Look like you got a 5.7. Don't really care about that. Then you got a 2000 Silverado. Right away I can tell it's a 5.3 drive-by cable, and I can tell just by the fan. Normally the fan's that color, and the like 4.8 is a small black fan. This thing not staying up, but it's a 8.6 862 heads. The last time I got my 6.0, it was actually right here. We pulling over here, and it was at this Express. But of course, they didn't do that with these 6.0s. The 6.0 came in Thursday and then one Friday, and today's MLK Day, Monday. So I already knew it was gone. I already have a 6.0. I don't need it. Right here you got a 706 heads, drive-by-wire. '05 Suburban. They already took everything. Sorry for the wind. I ain't even think about a dead cat. Got another one, 862 heads, 5.3, same fan. Everything got it. I think it's a Silverado. Yeah, 2003 Silverado. Got another one. '2003. Same fan. This one is a 5.7 though, so you don't want that. Another 5.7. 2003 Bourbon. $706. Oh, this is drive-by-wire. This is an insurance car. Yeah, it's a 2003 Suburban. $2,000 Silverado. Drive-by-wire. 706 heads. I hate when they cut the fucking cable. Harness still good. Fans in there. It's probably a 411 PCM. And that's still there. I do need this power water. It's broken up. That was a nice interior with the leather seats. What's this? I can't even see the heads. Definitely a 5.3 drive-by-wire. This thing rolled. Biohazard. Somebody, they probably died in that. Now this one I'm not sure about. Shipper Express 2500. This is possibly a 6, but I don't think this is the one I was looking for. Probably had the 4L80E in it. Now this one you can tell a normal person did it. You're just looking for a 6.0. How you doing? There's another one that's probably 6.0. That's 03 Tahoe. .3 862 heads, drive-by-wire. I gotta watch out for all this ice. Econ XL, drive-by-wire, 7.6. I'm not zooming in because I don't really care about these cars.
Really, nigga?
Just because I already have my engines. Took everything. Now this is 6.0 row. That was here. Got another Tahoe versus Suburban. Yeah, Suburban. .862 heads, drive-by-wire. Oh, sorry, drive-by-cable. Probably has a 411 PCM. All these 5.3 so far look like the harness is uncut. You can see rats been living in it, or mice. All little poop and dirt. The transmission's actually gone out of this one. I think it's yeah. I think it's 4-wheel drive. 02. But that'd be easy. This would be easy pull. Take the harness off and then take the motor mounts off. And this is why I didn't come when it came out. This was a 6.0, it came out Friday. It's like 3 days ago. Yeah, this is it. And this was definitely a 6. And you can see what the pros do. Like every time I come out here, see how the axles are chopped off? They just cut those. Remove this whole front piece and cut that too. And all they care about is the trans and engine. So this, you know, like a freelance puller did, or a shop more likely did this. And then the one from Thursday, yeah, Escalade. (2004). So this was the 08 Chevy Express. Yeah, that was the 6. And that is 04 Cadillac Escalade. And it's kind of fucked up that they put them right next to each other. So the same person probably got 2 6.0s in one day. Yet again, you can see they chopped it. But what I don't think they saw, yeah, on that one there. See where it says motor locked? So this one said oil pump out and the motor locked. So I probably would have skipped this one just in case like the crank was like fused in with other pieces or pistons or something. This one, this Escalade I don't know about, because there's no damage. Well, it could have been damage in the front. There's no side damage. No insurance tag. The back window is busted out, so I'm guessing maybe it rear-ended somebody. Or it hit something. MC wanted me to look at the cluster. And I would take this one, but they broke the little plastic. And then they took all the needles out of the gauges. Like all the needles are gone. And the Bose system. Might be a TV in there. Got the captain seats. So I got the DVD player in there. A little tiny screen. I don't see nothing under the seats. But yep, that's why I didn't even, it was like 14 degrees Saturday, 19 degrees Sunday. Friday I was at work, and I think it was like 14 then. Today it's like 24, 23, 24. I can't really zoom because I'm wearing these like Arctic gloves from Home Depot. They actually work because my hands are warm inside of these. '2003 Tahoe. I had to take a lot of stuff out of this one. Drive-by-wire. 862 heads. More ice. This is all ice. Oh, almost died. GMC. Yukon. It's gotta be a 5.7 probably. Yeah, it's 5.7. Another one. So I think we're at the end of the truck section. At least the Chevy trucks. Anyway, this is your boy Catloco. Check out the next video for the Caprices. Like always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.